Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will have the withdrawal request of the profit we made in the last couple of days, and then we will start trading again, okay? So I will go with 47, 8, 10. I want to start with solid 10k as always. So we're just gonna withdraw 47k. Let me just get my, all right. And boom. All right, now let's just get straight into it. All right, I will look for the pairs and we'll start taking some trades. Today's market, I analyzed before starting this session. Today's market doesn't look good, unlike the previous session, which was amazing. This market probably it will be a bit difficult to find good setups. This one right here I marked as a very respected resistance area, which has associated with this ABC to the upside, and there's a decision point inside of it. So I just mark it and we will have potential trade on this one. And I will still look for other pairs. All right, we see a doji right here. We are in a ranging market, so we have potential doji trade right here. And if we break this doji from to the upside, I will take the trade. We also have a third touch breakout opportunity. If we break both of this, going to be amazing trade for me. But unfortunately, let me just see. All right, I take this trade right here. I take one more time. If it goes up, I probably add one more because it looks good for me. And if you look, the major trend is uptrend. If you draw the line, it moves in this direction. And all of a sudden, we broke this, broke that price channel, and now the price, the market is basically switched to a ranging market. And thank God we found this setup right here. We don't see any gap down in the favor of buyers, so we take this trade. And I just hope they don't reject at the last seconds, because today's market is kind of weird, and I would not surprise if they react, like do some crazy stuff like that. But anyways, this is a doji break. This is a ranging market. Also, this is a minor downtrend. These are the reasons to take this trade. And if this was happening, it would be also a third touch breakout. So it would be amazing trade. I would take multiple entries on that one. Okay, I would not take this buy right here. This is still a doji break from the downside. Some of you might take this buy, but it's against the minor trend, so I'm not going to take that. Let's just move on and see if we can find another opportunity. This is still this is uptrend. This is another chart, and I'm not going to go against it, so let's just move on. We have this trend line right here. It's been a long time we haven't traded trend lines. And if you see triple candlestick like this, same color, no gap between, it means that it's strong momentum to the upside. So you never want to go against it. All right, it seems that we're going to have an opportunity right here. Let me just see. I will enter after I see the 5-second confirmation. All right, let's say this is the 5-second confirmation. Let's get it. Go with the buys right here. We have a QM down here as well. It has a clear, fresh demand area in 1 minute. We're probably going to have something inside of it as well. This trade, let me just check the trend. All right, we can say that this is a major ranging market, but the market is moving. All right, now, oh, I think we went against it, but you know, we had this price channel to the upside. It's pretty clean. Broke the price channel. It's a pullback to this broken support area, and yes, this is against the market's direction. All right, I deserve this one. This is a very respected support area. We can also look at this as a decision point perspective, and probably they would be an entry for us. Let me just check this one. All right, this wasn't a bad trade, this one. So it's totally fine. We will just check this for you to see. This is a well-respected support area. See that? So the moment this support has been broken, it will have something inside of it. It will create a fresh supply or demand. And we can take advantage of it. Just see. All right, this is the fresh supply and the lower time frame for us above the zone. And you can see the entry would be on this one if we were taking this trade. And let's go back to 10 seconds. Let's say you marked this zone by mistake. Let's see what the result will be. We usually prefer the entry above the zone, this one, above the initial zone, which is this one. But this one, you might mark this one by mistake. I think it would be a winning trade on this candle instead of this one, but still it's a win-win for us. But this trade we took with the buyers, it was basically against the direction of the market. So I deserved that loss. I will just move on and look for other opportunities. Again, this is another opportunity, potential trade, very respected resistance. See, broken, the decision point will be inside of it. Let's set an alarm here. I probably will take the next candle if the price comes down there. Okay, I entered dry here. Let's get it. I think I got the... Let me see. Yes, sir. Look at that. This is a good one, man. Alright, it was a winning trade. Look at that. This is a fresh supply, fresh demand for me. Right? Let's go to 1 minute. And also, you see the engulf in 1 minute. Right? So I was hoping this candle closes without touching this area, closes somewhere here. The next candle would be coming down and then I would enter, but it just happened on this one. So that's totally fine. I will move on to the next trade. Like I said, today's market is not looking good, so I will try to be careful with my trades. Let's see if we can find an entry on this one. Holy moly, this is... Okay, there's not any supply, any demand, any fresh demand on this decision point. Unfortunately, I have to just wait for it to come all the way down to this 5-second demand area, but I don't think the market will come in there. It's crazy. Alright, I'm taking this one. Let's get it. This is a breakout trade, obviously. First touch, second touch, lower low, and boom, breakout. And this is a ranging market. I wouldn't say this is against the trend, to be honest. This is major downtrend and minor ranging market, I would say. We have nice little gap up. And let's just see. I hope we don't lose this trade. Yes, sir. Let's go. Lower low for the breakout trades. Basically, we need a level. And we need to trade the third touch. But before the third touch happening, okay, this is the third touch right here. Let me see. First touch, second touch. This is the third touch. But we need other reasons, okay? For example, gap up can be a good reason, good confirmation. And this one should create a lower low for us compared to previous low. If this is the previous low, we want this lower low before the third touch happening. Also, we need confirmations like gap up just like this, or doji break. Let's say this is a doji. Imagine this is a doji and this candle is breaking doji, would be another good confirmation. Or maybe this is a Marubozu candle, that's another confirmation. Maybe this is happening in a downtrend, that's another confirmation, right? I will just stop right here. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session. I usually take 5 or 6 trades per day, and I suggest everybody do the same. Do not overtrade, do not take a lot of trades, especially if you see the market doesn't move pretty nice. Just try to get your profit and get out of the market. Do not fight with it, okay? Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.